Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert different page numbers in Word. Open your Word document to see the content. After that, place the cursor on the page where the different number will go. Then, go to the Layout menu. There in Breaks, select the option Continuous located in Section Breaks. After this, go to the first page. From the Insert menu in Page Number, choose one of the available options. You can see that the numbering is identical on all sheets. Now double-click on the page number on which you added the section break. In the menu, Page Number, select Format Page Number. In the pop-up window in Number Format, choose one of the available options. Apply the changes. You see that this format will only be on the page on which the break was added. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.